Here's how to learn your first muscle up. You might only need these 4 exercises that I'm about to show you to learn your very first muscle up. My name is Daniel Flefield and welcome to Cali Expert. You are here to learn your very first muscle up, so let me help you. And if you're looking for a structured program to achieve the muscle up, I will link it down below in the description because we have a program called Muscle Up System. The first exercise is high pull-ups. So for this one you need a high bar, and also I would recommend you to get some liquid chalk or normal powder chalk. If you don't have liquid chalk or powder chalk, I will link it down below in the description. But you start finding a high bar like this, and the point here is that you're gonna pull yourself up as high as possible. The goal is to get the bar to your chest first of all, and not only your chin but to your chest, and then lower and lower down. So let me demonstrate the first one. So grab like shoulder width apart, get a little bit of swing, and here you pull high and then down, and you start over again, high and then down. As you saw, I pulled up, I pulled the bar to my chest, I get the bar underneath my chest. But in the beginning you might not be able to do this. It's okay. So pull yourself up as high as possible. So if your high pull-up is here, it's okay. And one more tip is to get a little bit of false grip. That means get the bar holding the hand like this when you're doing the high pull-up. Then you can pull yourself up a little bit higher. You get better tension in your back and your upper body. So let's move on to the next exercise. Next exercise is band pull-ups, and this time this band will not assist you when you do the pull-up. This will actually give you some resistance and make it harder. So find a weight that you can put on the ground where you can put the band around it, and then from here you put it around your neck like this, and then we're going to do some explosive pull-ups here. So grab the bar here, and from here you try to explode up and then down. You start over, up and then down. So why you're doing this is to get more explosive in your pull-ups, because when you're doing muscle up you want to be as explosive as possible, and this exercise can help you with that. And the next exercise is weighted pull-ups. This is similar to the banded pull-ups that you did before, but here you can use weights and you can increase the weight while you get stronger and progress in the exercise. You can do that with the band pull-ups as well, where you increase the thickness of the band. So here you need a dip belt. I can link a dip belt down below in the description so you don't need to find one. And then you need weights, of course. And here, a high bar, you're gonna grab it like before, and then you're gonna do just a normal pull-up. Up to the bar, down, up and down. This will make eventually your normal pull-up so much easier as you have progressed with the weights and made that easier. So your normal pull-up will feel like nothing. That's why it's a good exercise for the muscle up. Now it's time for assisted muscle up. This is the exercise that is, I would say, closest to the full muscle up, as you're gonna do the actual muscle up. But here you need resistance band, and if you don't have any, I'll link it down below in the description. So here you make a loop like I have done here on the band, on the bar. You pull it down, you stand with one foot, and here you grab the bar again. And you're gonna do a muscle up with the band. So the band is gonna help you to get over the bar. So here you pull up over the bar and then muscle up again. And as you can see, this mimics the full muscle up. And one thing you need to think of when doing this exercise is that you push down your legs, they are straight, and tension your core as well. So you get help with the band. If you bring your feet forward, it will not help. So that's why it's important that you step on the band, tension your legs, tension in your core while you're doing the muscle up. Now get to work, try these exercises in your workout, and hopefully you get the muscle up in no time. But if you want a structured program to achieve the muscle up, you should try our muscle up system. I will link it down below in the description. And if you want to follow for more tips and tricks like this one, follow this channel, just hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.